So when we began to put this group together in Chicago, this performative design group, we needed to build a framework for how we were going to approach the design of buildings and how we were going to build the group. So we developed some guiding principles. And the number one guiding principle has to do with form, and the fact that we believe that form, for the sake of form, is no longer good enough. That if we're going to develop a form for a building, that it should have meaning, it should be doing something, it should be contributing to the overall objectives of the design. In building this group, we take a lot of cues from Mother Nature. Mother Nature has been in the business of design much longer than any of us, and she's very good at it. And there's a book written by a woman by the name of Janine Benyus called Biomimicry. And I do recommend the book. It is very good. Her presentation is also very good. But the focus of our book is to look to nature, to look at specific clues of what Mother Nature has done to inform how we design things, not just buildings, but everything that we design. Some of the examples in her book, she talks about the gecko. The gecko can stay suspended to a tree, and you could hang many times its own weight to its tail, and it would not become detached from the tree. At one time, we thought that the gecko had some way of secreting adhesive from its fingers, but we now know that what happens is there are a million tiny fibers that the gecko has on its fingers, and it is surface tension that holds the gecko to the tree. So now that you have tape manufacturers like 3M that are looking at this technology, and they're trying to develop tape that uses surface tension to create its adhesive capability. So imagine having tape that did not use chemical adhesives but was as strong or stronger than the tape that is available today. That is an example of biomimicry. Another example is a butterfly wing, very beautiful, but what gives a butterfly wings its color is its structure. It's light hitting this structure, very specifically designed to refract light and give it its color. So again, imagine a carpet manufacturer looking at engineering a carpet fiber that could refract light to give it color in lieu of using dye. Well, that would have a tremendous impact on the environment. Now, we were talking about Burj Dubai earlier. This is nature's version of Burj Dubai. This is about a 13 or 14 foot tall habitat, a tower built by creatures that are only 1 inch long. One could argue that from an engineering perspective, the termites sort of beat us in terms of what they were able to achieve in this design, in that this is a building that provides natural ventilation, provides cooling. It can get to 120 degrees in Botswana during the day and drop down close to freezing at night, while the temperature within this termite mound stays very, very constant day to night. The relative humidity within this termite mound stays relatively constant, so they are able to ventilate, to heat, to cool, to maintain very comfortable conditions without the use of any electricity whatsoever. The stack effect within this tower helps to achieve this. So if the 1 inch long termite can do this, then we should be able to accomplish the same feats within our building.